Hi, I'm Engineer Bumi. I've been with Scanfrost for over 15 years as an expert in AC. This is our cooling range. Here, this is a 1 horsepower wave, and it has 1.5 also, and it has 2 horsepower. And this is a Gen-made series, and you can use it for generator. It has a range 1.5 horsepower, 1 horsepower, and 2 horsepower. And this is a floor standing Gen-made series also. It has a range also 3 horsepower, 5 horsepower, 10 horsepower for the bigger place like event center, hospital, airport, place of worship also. Most AC turn on and off repeatedly, wasting energy and giving unveiling cooling. Scanfrost inverter series adjust power based on your room temperature, get steady cooling and lower energy use. I can bet you Scanfrost inverter series capable to run at as 135 volts. You know, in Nigeria, power is not stable. That is why Scanfrost inverter series design low voltage that can work with generator. That is why we call it Gen-made series. One room, 1 horsepower. Medium room, 1.5 horsepower. Large room, 2 horsepower. Very large room or space, 3 horsepower, 5 horsepower to 10 horsepower. Wrong sizing, poor installation, dirty filter, poor airflow, proper setup as well. Inverter efficiency, option for every space, low voltage reliability. So, what are you waiting for? Go to the nearest distributor and get your Scanfrost AC now.